So what is all this talk about tax evasion and tax avoidance, and what is the difference between the two? Well, here we will try and answer this question, so hang on for the ride. Let's take a fictional character, Swindel Laughalot, who works in the entertainment industry, although other professions are available. Swindle has been offered work by a media company in return for a payment of £200,000. If Swindle was an employee of the media company on pay-as-you-earn, then he would have to pay £83,320.32 in income tax and national insurance. However, as Swindle is classed as self-employed, he is responsible for paying his own tax and NI. Firstly, we will look at tax evasion. This is illegal. Being self-employed, Swindle has to complete a HMRC self-assessment tax return. On this, he has to enter the gross amount of his earnings. However, Swindle has decided he wants to keep the full £200,000 fee for himself and decides to enter a nil return instead. He has therefore made an illegal declaration, which is against the law and a criminal offence, and will be pursued through the courts, resulting in a criminal record, possible fine and custodial sentence. On reflection, Swindle does not fancy being sent to jail, and so consults his friend Bill Swerve, who advises him to undertake tax avoidance, which is not illegal as it just exploits loopholes in the law left by the government. So in order to undertake his tax avoidance, Swindle decides to send his earnings to a company in Mauritius. Luckily, Mauritius has a 0% corporate tax rate on income earned outside the country, meaning there is no tax liability on the £200,000. Next, Swindle becomes an investment advisor for the company in Mauritius, and his first investment decision is to give himself an interest-free loan of £200,000 with no repayment date. Fortunately, because the UK does not class a loan as earned income, Swindle does not have to declare this amount on his tax return, and hey presto, gets to keep the full £200,000 perfectly legally without any tax or NI deduction. Swindle can now sleep easily in his bed at night, knowing he has not committed any crime through undertaking tax avoidance, or neither has he made any contribution towards, among other things, the health service, social care, the UK infrastructure, defence, social protection, benefits and pensions. Sleep well, Swindle.